SPS was founded by Fred Schernicker in 1987 as a house painting business during college summers. In 1990, the business became a full-time endeavor servicing the building envelope needs of New England condominiums. Home ownership is synonymous with the American dream. Condominiums offer home ownership at a lower price than single-family homes. They are less expensive to build because they require less land and offer efficiencies of scale during construction. Buyers of entry-level homes are typically price-sensitive. As a result, condominium construction features low-cost materials and installation techniques. A penny saved is a penny earned. Condominiums are often built fast and cheap. Building components become ineffective quicker than homeowners expect. Roofs, siding, trim, windows, decks are reaching the end of their useful lives. Building envelopes have failed. This is a widespread problem with massive implications for the financial health of the condominium associations and their owners. They are at a crossroads. SPS has worked closely with condominiums through this maturing process. We have seen every conceivable approach to the same problem. We are uniquely qualified and eager to help. Our mission is to deliver the highest value, long-term solutions to New England condominiums.